Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and welcome to today's workout. I've been putting out workouts for over 6 years right now. We've never missed an upload on a Monday and a Thursday. So welcome to this Thursday workout and Merry Christmas. Today, we have a standing only dumbbell core workout. It's gonna involve a lot of rotation and stability, something we always look forward to doing and getting better at. So you have 5 different exercises. I'm gonna go through them 4 times, 3 or 4 times, depending on time. I don't wanna take too much of your time. No more than 20 minutes. If you guys ready to rock and roll, follow along with me, grab that dumbbell. I am using a 20-pound dumbbell. Previews are always gonna be right here. You can check it out right now as I speak of the next exercise that we're doing. So let's get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step forward and then give me 10 swings. 1, 2, across your body. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And stay right here, but switch arms and go in the other direction. 1, 2, cross the body. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looking good. 8, 9, 10. Take a little breather, not too long. Now we're switching arms, all right? Switching arms, I should say switching legs. So the other leg forward and give me 10 swings again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, 10. Switch arms. Legs stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, across. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So personally, I've been doing more of these twisting and rotational type of movements over the last couple of months. I can explain to you how much better I feel, more mobile. It's slowly getting better and better. If you guys been here for a long time, you know I'm not the most mobile person in the world. I have good endurance, I'm semi-strong, but mobility sometimes is lacking. These help tremendously. All right, now we're doing halos to a squat. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, halo. Weight in front and a little squat. And in the opposite direction, we're just going for 10. And a squat, all standing today. 3, 4, only squat down if you have knee pain. As low as there is no pain. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. All right, now I gotta step back. We're gonna do 10 little tiny goblet squats, walking goblet squats. You're gonna take a little tiny step forward, and you're gonna give me a squat. So grab your dumbbell like it's a goblet, and stand up straight. I'm all the way back against the wall. I'm gonna probably do 5 steps, walk back and do 5 more for a total of 10. You guys ready to go? Tiny step on your toes and 1. Tiny step, 2. Little step, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna step back. You guys keep doing them. Ready? 6, 7, 8, little lunge, 9, and 10. And put the dumbbell down for this first set. We're going to 10 curtsy lunges. Once again, previews on the screen. Step backwards, diagonal if you have to hold on to something. Sometimes I do. It's quite all right. 10, so 5 on each side. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, 1, and 2. Nice and controlled. 1, and this is 4. Twist with me. 5, 6, 7. Looking good. Come on. 8, 9, and 10. All right. 1 round down. 3 rounds to go. Hey guys, enjoying this workout? Don't forget, I gotta remind you, hey, call to action, subscribe, come back every Monday and every Thursday for more workouts just like these. Some a little more challenging, some a little less. I don't know how challenging this is for you. But if it's not challenging enough, grab a weight that's a little bit more. All right, I'm starting my right leg, 10 swings on each side. Ready? A little bit of a lunge, and let's go. 1, 2, across the body. 3, 4, 5. Good rotation. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch arms, legs stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Switch leg and arm. And the other side. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs stay the same. Switch hands. Ready? Let's go. 1. Different balance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you've got halo squats. You guys ready to go? 10. 1. Nice and control. Notice my tempo. I'm not rushing through these. 2. 3. 4. Keep it up. One more will be halfway done. Beautiful. 5, 6, 7. Just 3 more. 1, 2. 1 more. And 3. All right, we're going back to our lunges. Little baby steps. All the way back. Goblet lunges. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Baby step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna take 5 steps back and 5 steps forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. And curtsy lunges. By the way, if you want to use a weight on the curtsy lunges, feel free to do so. I don't need it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1 and 2. Nice and control. And 3. Looking good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And we are halfway done with the workout. Let's take a little breather for a couple seconds. Right back to the top, back to the swings. If you find it, like I said, easier, or you feel like you warmed up, and if you have a heavier dumbbell, feel free to grab a heavier dumbbell. This is the time to do it. Usually when I work out, my 3rd round, or the round before the last, whatever that may be, that's my best round, because that's why I have the most energy. I'm warmed up and I'm ready to go before I am too tired during the last round. So if you want to challenge yourself, grab a bigger dumbbell. All right, for me, it's right leg forward, 10 swings. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, across the body. 2, full swing. 3, 4, keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch arms, legs stay the same. 1, 2, 3, keep it up. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch arm and leg. Ready to go? And let's go. 1, 2, keep it up. Come on, guys. 3, 4, 6, big effort. 7, 8, that weight's gotta come up. 9, 10, switch arms, legs stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is great, working the deep core muscles. Everybody always talks about it. Now we're working them. You guys ready to go? Halo and a squat. Halo, squat. 1, beautiful. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. All right, baby lunges. I think I like that name. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Little step forward. 1. You're kind of on your tippy toes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Step back. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's that. Curtsy lunges. No weights for me. 3, 2, 1. Diagonal back. Control. 1, 2, 1. Keep it up. 4. Beautiful. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, and 10. Was that 3 rounds or 4 rounds? Let me take a look at the camera. How long have we been working out? 12 minutes. 12 minutes. We've been at this for 12 minutes, a little bit less. Let's do one more round. I don't know how many did. I actually forgot. Let's do one more. Why not? All right, here we go. Last round. Step forward. Paul doesn't think very well when his heart rate is rushing. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Extra credit. 1, or maybe not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, 10. Hey, I'm not perfect. I'll ever pretend to be. Switch arms. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4. Twist. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch arms, switch legs. Let's go. This is the last round. Now I remember what I was talking about before. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. No extra credit then. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch arms. Let's go. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halos and squat. 3, 2, 1. Halo and squat. 1. The opposite side. Direction, I should say. 2. Big twist. 3. Bigger twist. 4. Last round. Good effort. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Last squat, guys. This is it. 10. Goblet, small walking baby lunges. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Step back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last set of curtsies. 3, 2, 1. Control. Diagonal. 1. Nice and deep. There we go. 2, Yes, I'm concentrating really hard because I don't want to fall over. 3, 4, keep it up, guys. 5 left in this entire workout. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that does it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, if you guys didn't know. This was our stability mobility core standing only workout. Guys, excuse me, let me clean my throat. There you go. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this workout, subscribe, leave a comment down below, for crying out loud. Give me a big like. Have a very wonderful Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.